very clear that anytime those people living in PGR and PGR can be evicted. The whole of Karbi Anglong, the whole of Assam, the whole of the country was watching and reading it through time and again. But the Congress legislature, very unfortunate. And we, from the whole of Karbi Anglong, be the Asdc front, KSA, KNCA, and different organizations on behalf of that, such emotions should not be created in the minds of the indigenous people. This is what I want to say. Therefore, what the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council have met a very clear notification on the 21, I guess, on that day itself, that these people will be evicted irrespective of any caste, creed or religion. Therefore, people living in those areas, as met in the notification, have to be evicted, and nobody, no organization, no groups or no any particular religion should not be come into the way of what the notice says and what the Supreme Court says. This is what we say, and we, it's a very, very big condemn that we met the eyes of that Debabrata Saikia, and very unfortunate. Therefore, I once again like to cooperate the whole of the people of Karbi Anglong to come together and do what the Supreme Court says, to be evicted immediately, permanently and quickly, and to maintain peace and harmony across the district, across the state and everywhere. But we condemn Debabrata Saikia very, very ardently, strongly.
Yes, MP election is heading, it may be a political agenda or what?
Yeah, fine. He says that the BJP is trying to gain the indigenous vote, that's what he said. So if he is going to say from that context, the Congress also is trying to gain Congress votes from the indigenous people or the people living in Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong. The same thing. So what he says is what he got. He has got an answer, he has got a question also. So he says the political mileage. He is also himself taking the political mileage by trying to defend the people. This is what we want to say. Therefore, he is playing politics, and we strongly condemn him.
Rule of the Saikia, go back!
Go back! Go back!
Saikia, go back!
Go back!